Hello everyone, this is Vikram from DataEdge, and in this video I'm going to tell how we can start writing Python code or Python based code, the code which is related to the Selenium and other framework which is dependent upon the Python. So for writing the Python we have the multiple IDE which is available into the market, but one of the best desktop based applications IDE is Python. So in this video I'm going to tell how we can download and install the Python. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the steps which is related to Python application development. So very first thing, what you have to do, you have to open the Google and you need to type Python download. Once you type the Python download, you will get the very first link, which is known as the JetBrains.com, which is the official website for the Pycharm. And from here, you will be able to get the two different Pycharms. You can see based on the operating system, it is suggesting two different kind of the Pycharm versions. So in my case, I'm using the Windows, so it is by default selected as the Windows. If you're using the Mac OS or the Linux base of the operating system, then you need to choose these options. In my case, it is the Windows based OS, and you can see here we are getting the two options, professional as well as the community. What basically difference between them? So professional will be your paid versions, and if you are trying to download it, it will be the free trial only. But if you are going to download these community versions, it will be 100% free open source software, and which is for the basically pure Python development. So simply what you have to do, you have to simply click on this download button, and you will see you are getting this redirected to this page, and after a few seconds you will see the Pycharm community edition is getting downloaded over here. In my case, it is already downloaded, so I'm canceling this one. So in my case, I have already downloaded, and this is the Pycharm. To start working with this Pycharm and making use of the Pycharm for the Python based application, you need to have the Python installed into your machine. If you don't know how to install the Python into your machine, just watch my previous video, which is related to the installation of the Python. Now let's get started to the installation of the Pycharm. So this is the Pycharm. What you have to do, you have to simply double click on this one, or there is option you can click right click on this application, run as the administrator. Both the way, it's fine. Now you can see the installation setup is started, and it is verifying the installation, as it is around 360 MB software, so it will take a few minutes to get it installed and to work properly. Now the setup has begun. We need to wait for few seconds for the further operations. Now you can see welcome to the Pycharm community addition setup. Click next. Leave all the things at the default. Simply go with the next options, whatever you are seeing over here in the selected one. And here you can see it will take a few minutes. So I'm pausing my video to get it extracted and installed.